Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The cork footbed will absorb water in wet conditions, which results in the cork drying out. Consequently, how do you fix wet Birkenstocks? Use lukewarm water and a cloth to scrub your footprint away. To dry, do not place in direct heat or sunlight, as this again will cause dry rot and cork cracking.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Depending on how often you wear them, they should last you decades, or at least several years. The longer you wear a pair of Birkenstocks, the more comfortable they become because they form to the shape of your foot.
Take our lead.
Keep them smelling fresh. Birkenstocks are best known for two things: comfort and smell. This unfortunate latter comes as a result of being exposed to bare feet, sweat and, of course, the elements. This is a natural ailment that's to be expected, and luckily it is also easy to counteract with a little TLC.
Make your mark, take our lead.
I would recommend this kit to any person who wants to prolong the life of their Birkenstocks. 5.0 out of 5 stars, works like a charm. This stuff is amazing. You want to start with the eraser and then use the scrub brush scraper.
Let's help you make your mark.
While it is best to avoid prolonged exposure to rain and other moisture, Birkenstocks can get wet on occasion and still last for years with proper care. After your Birks have dried, apply Birkenstock stain and water repellent, available as part of the deluxe shoe care kit.
Take our lead.
While we do offer a line of water-friendly footwear, most styles should not be immersed in water. Oversaturation can compromise the integrity of the sealant materials. It can also change the look and finish of the materials. If your shoes become wet, allow them to air dry slowly, away from direct heat.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.